Hello and welcome to this guided sleep meditation. I'm so glad you're here taking this time for yourself tonight. Whether this is your first time trying sleep meditation or you're returning to find some peace, you're exactly where you need to be. Find yourself in a comfortable position in your bed. There's no right or wrong way to lie down. Some people prefer on their back, others on their side. Just settle into whatever feels most natural for your body tonight. Gently close your eyes when you're ready, and if closing your eyes doesn't feel comfortable right now, that's perfectly fine too. You can soften your gaze or look down toward your hands. For the next 20 minutes, you have absolutely nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to figure out or solve. This is your time to simply rest and let go. Let's begin by taking 3 gentle breaths together. Breathe in slowly through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, releasing any tension from your day. Again, breathing in and out. One more breath in and out, letting your body sink a little deeper into your bed. From now on, just let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. You don't need to control it, just let it flow naturally. Now we're going to take a gentle journey through your body, starting from the very top of your head and slowly making our way down. This isn't about forcing relaxation. It's simply about noticing and then letting go. Bring your attention to the very top of your head, your scalp. You might notice some tension here, or maybe it feels completely relaxed already. Whatever you notice is perfectly fine. Just gently imagine any tightness in your scalp melting away, dissolving like warm butter in the sun. Let that relaxation flow down into your forehead. Your forehead might be holding tension from concentrating, from worry, from the day's stress. Just let your forehead become smooth, wide, peaceful. Notice your eyebrows, the delicate muscles around your eyes. Let your eyelids become heavy, so comfortably heavy. The tiny muscles around your eyes can just soften now, like they're sinking back into your head. Your cheeks can soften too. Your jaw might be holding more tension than you realized. Let your jaw drop open just slightly. Your tongue can rest gently in your mouth. No need to hold it anywhere specific. Now bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. This is where so many of us carry the weight of our day. Imagine your shoulders dropping down, away from your ears, heavy and loose. Your neck can lengthen, the back of your neck softening. Now that your body is settling into this peaceful state, we can let your mind begin to quiet too. It's completely natural for thoughts to come and go. Your mind has been active all day, and it might not want to slow down immediately. That's perfectly okay. You don't need to stop your thoughts. You can simply notice them like clouds drifting across the sky of your awareness. If you notice thoughts about tomorrow, about things you need to do, about conversations you had today, just acknowledge them gently. You might even say to yourself, thinking, and then let that thought drift away like a leaf floating down a gentle stream. Let's create a peaceful place in your mind's eye. Imagine yourself in a place where you feel completely safe and comfortable. This might be a real place you've been, or somewhere completely imaginary. Perhaps you're lying in a soft meadow under a starry sky. The grass beneath you is perfectly comfortable, and a gentle, warm breeze touches your skin. Above you, countless stars twinkle peacefully, and you realize that this moment, right now, is all that exists. Or maybe you find yourself beside a quiet lake at twilight. The water is perfectly still, reflecting the soft colors of the evening sky. You can hear the gentle sound of tiny waves lapping at the shore. a sound that seems to match the rhythm of your breathing. Peaceful, rhythmic, soothing. In this peaceful place, you are completely safe, completely supported, completely free to let go of anything you've been carrying. Any worries, any tension, any need to figure anything out. You can just set it all down here, knowing that this quiet place will hold it for you. You've done such beautiful work tonight, allowing your body to relax, creating space for your mind to quiet, giving yourself this gift of rest and peace. In just a moment, I'm going to stop speaking, and you'll be free to drift into the deep, restorative sleep that your body is ready for. There's no pressure to fall asleep immediately. Some nights sleep comes quickly, other nights it takes a little longer, and both are perfectly natural. You have complete permission to sleep now, to let go completely, to trust that your body knows exactly how to rest and restore itself while you sleep. You deserve this peace. You deserve this rest. You deserve to wake up tomorrow feeling refreshed and renewed. If you find yourself awake later in the night, you can simply return to this feeling, this sense of peace and relaxation, knowing that rest itself is healing, even if sleep takes time to come. So go ahead now, let yourself drift like a boat on a calm lake, like a cloud floating across an evening sky, safe, peaceful, completely at rest. Sweet dreams.